What appeared like a rocket science experiment in 1977 turned out to be a record-breaking achievement. NASA launched 2 space probes to explore the solar system and beyond. Today, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are the most distant man-made objects from Earth. This is the story of humanity's farthest messengers. The journey of these Voyager probes into space began in the summer of 1977 in Cape Canaveral, Florida, a move that would rewrite the history books. NASA launched these twin spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, in the same year, but in separate months. Then another breakthrough happened in August 2012, when Voyager 1 made the first entry into interstellar space. Then Voyager 2 followed suit, later on the 5th of November 2018. This was when scientists began to gain interest in this region. Both spacecraft are still sending scientific information about their new surroundings. The Voyager probes were originally created for a 5-year mission to explore the outer planets, a journey called the Grand Tour. However, Voyager 1 and 2 exceeded all expectations, not only completing their tour, but going on to provide groundbreaking data about our solar system's edges. By design, the Voyagers were to conduct close-up studies of Jupiter and Saturn, Saturn's rings, and the larger moons of the 2 planets. They started with Jupiter, taking stunning images of the planet and Galilean moons, then explored Titan and the rings of Saturn. They seemed to hit huge success after they made some discoveries there, such as active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon and intrinsic details of Saturn's rings, and so the mission was extended. Voyager 1 headed out of the solar system, while Voyager 2 went on to explore Uranus and Neptune, and is still the only spacecraft to have visited those outer planets. Currently, the 2 spacecraft are on the Voyager Interstellar Mission, VIM, to explore the outermost edge of the Sun's domain and beyond. The successes of these probes were beyond NASA's expectations. Voyager 1 and 2 had explored all the giant planets of our outer solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, all 48 of their moons, and the unique system of rings and magnetic fields they possess. As they journeyed, Voyager 1 took a shorter route and arrived at Jupiter first, discovering that the planet's colorful moon, Io, had erupting volcanoes. After that, it sped past Saturn in 1980, discovering the first nitrogen atmosphere beyond Earth, just around the moon Titan. Voyager 2, on the other hand, took the more beautiful route, visiting Jupiter in 1979, Saturn in 81, Uranus in 86, and Neptune in 89. Voyager 2 captured more spectacular views of the green and blue planets, while spotting geysers on Neptune's large moon Triton. Throughout their journey, the Voyager probes revealed incredible details about the outer planets, capturing images and data that changed our understanding of the solar system. Among these, Voyager 1's photograph of Earth from 6 billion kilometers away, famously known as the pale blue dot, became a symbol of humanity's small place in the vast universe. The probes discovered that Saturn's rings have enigmatic braids, kinks, and spokes which are accompanied by lots of ringlets. At Uranus, Voyager 2 discovered a magnetic field around the planet, plus 10 additional moons. Then, on February 17, 1998, Voyager 1 overtook the space probe Pioneer 10 to become the most distant object in space ever made by man. But it didn't end there. In 2012, the Voyagers became the longest operating spacecraft, having functioned for up to 47 years and counting, while constantly transmitting accurate data. These are only a handful of their achievements since their launch. As stated earlier in this video, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have reached interstellar space, and each continues their unique journey deeper into the cosmos. Throughout the billions of kilometers of their journeys, the Voyagers stayed in touch with Earth through the 3 antennas of the Deep Space Network. One is in Madrid, Spain, a second is in Goldstone, California, and the third is in Canberra. However, their unexpectedly lengthy journeys have not been without hitches. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft has experienced a computer glitch that's causing a bit of a communication breakdown between the 47-year-old probe and its mission team on Earth. Voyager 1 has 3 onboard computers, including a flight data system that collects information from the spacecraft's science instruments, but the probe flight data system now appears to be stuck on auto-repeat. The mission team first noticed the issue on November 14th, when the flight data system's telecommunications unit began sending back a repeating pattern in binaries, like it was trapped in an unending loop. The flight team based at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California commanded Voyager 1 to power on a heater on October 16th. Although the spacecraft seemed to have enough power at the time, the command unexpectedly triggered a different response, and on October 18th, NASA's Deep Space Network was unable to detect its signal at all. That was the height of it. Even Voyager 2 is not spared. On July 21st, a series of commands sent to Voyager 2 caused the spacecraft's antenna to point 2 degrees away from Earth. This resulted in the spacecraft being unable to receive commands or transmit any data back to Earth. Voyager 2 is now so far from Earth that a message takes almost 40 hours for it to receive it, and almost 20 hours for a response to travel its way back. But even with these glitches, hopes are still ridiculously high as their engineers fight tooth and nail to solve the issue. While the aging spacecraft explores the cosmic territory along the outer reaches of the solar system, scientists still maintain contact, with each message marking a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. After what happens to be a detailed exploration of the outer solar system, journeying from Jupiter to Uranus, these space voyagers will slowly leave the solar systems to the realm of the stars. Attached to each Voyager craft is a gold-coated copper phonograph record as a message to possible extraterrestrial civilizations that might meet the spacecraft during its journey into distant space and time. The Voyager Golden Records are 2 identical phonograph records, which were included aboard the 2 Voyager spacecraft when they were launched. The records contain sounds and images selected to portray to these extraterrestrial beings what the diversity of life and culture on Earth looks like. Now, each record contains 118 photographs of our planet, ourselves, and our civilization, almost 90 minutes of the world's greatest music, an evolutionary audio essay on the sounds of Earth, and greetings in almost 60 human languages as well as 1 whale language. It also includes a printed message from former U.S. President Jimmy Carter. With this, the entire cosmos will get to know what our planet looks like, the bond we share between us humans, and what we are capable of. Looking back in time, we might never have had this world view of what other celestial bodies look like if these Voyagers had not been launched, adding to making groundbreaking discoveries they made. The Voyager mission helped scientists see the priceless benefits of deeper exploration. The mission revealed Jupiter to be one complex planet, and so this pushed NASA to launch the Galileo mission in 1989 and the Juno mission in 2011. The Voyager probe's work also helped to inspire the iconic Cassini mission to Saturn. Voyager 2 has also been a catalyst for investigations into the role of giant planets like Jupiter, not only in the solar system but also in distant star systems. This has formed a template for future scientific explorations and missions. All these are proof that humans are always on the go to exploit the endless corners of the cosmos. Not just that, taking a closer look at Voyager 1's ability to continue transmitting data from over 14 billion miles away shows humans' determination to keep exploring. The spacecraft's successful operation extended past its expected lifespan explains the effectiveness of NASA's maintenance strategies and the durability of its components, showing the possibilities of long-duration space missions and interstellar exploration. The journey of these Voyager probes is a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and curiosity about the cosmos, inspiring future generations to reach for their deepest potential and unlock the secrets of the universe. Regardless of the wild discoveries made by these space messengers, the Voyager's journey is far from over, even if we never hear from them again. So far, we can only imagine how far they will go to feed us more information about the cosmos. But this is only a reminder that we are explorers, reaching ever further, guided by a deep desire to understand our place in the universe.